yeah, I think this activity quite good for students. Yeah, so it is widen their perspective. Yeah, I think this is a good thing for students, especially now they are still have a long way to go. Thank you for the activity and everything for the students.
So far, the session was really fun. There's a lot of activities, and it really helped me to figure out what I want to be in the future and what skills do I have so far. And I know myself well. And yeah, it's to prepare me for the future.
The workshop was actually kind of helpful because thinking about my future was actually one of my many struggles I, as an 8th grader, actually had to think about because it was one of my top things to worry about. And I guess today made me a little less unsure about the future and that everything's going to be okay. Thank you, everyone.
I actually think thought at first that this was going to be a boring session, not gonna lie. But after doing all the activities and especially the presentation, it was really, really engaging. It really helped for us to, share our perspectives on the presentations and give the motivation to our friends because it made everyone happy. I saw that, so I really enjoyed it.